Today I'm trying out a new recipe for fish. Well, it's new to me anyway. Someone just told me about it, so I thought I'd give it a try. And you can use any white fish. I'm using cod. And I have some mayonnaise in a bowl, about, I don't know, a quarter of a cup. Just use as much as you need to coat the fish with it. And then after you smear it all over the fish on both sides and get it all evenly coated, then dip it in a breading mix. I should have used the wet hand, dry hand method here, but I didn't think about it until I'd already started. So I'm making kind of a mess on both hands, but it doesn't matter. It's fine, worked out well. And the breading mix I'm using is a Louisiana Fish Fry mix. I guess you could use it to bake as well as fry. I don't know. I guess we'll find out, but because I'm baking this one. And after I get all of this coated with the mayonnaise and the breadcrumbs, I'm going to put that in the oven. It'll take approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Depends on how thick your fish is. Now that the fish is all coated and on the pan, I have some frozen French fries that I'm going to add a little bit of oil to so that the seasonings stick to it. I have garlic powder, onion powder, red cayenne powder, some salt, and then I'm just going to mix that around a little bit with my fingers just to get it coated well, and then I'll put that on the other half of the baking sheet and put it all in the oven at the same time. I'm also making a dipping sauce for the fries and the fish, and I'll have the ingredients for that in the description below. So this turned out well. I liked it a lot. Give it a try. Let me know if you like it. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.